I may look simple and playful, but I help build imagination, confidence, and learning by turning curiosity into hands-on discovery.
I never stop moving or coming back, and I turn simple motion into coordination, teamwork, and pure physical joy.
I am held during quiet moments and difficult feelings, and I give comfort, imagination, and emotional security when words are hard to find.
I move slowly but deliberately, and I train patience, foresight, and disciplined thinking through every decision I demand.